Hi guys, today I want to quickly take you through the SUM, SUMIF and SUMIFS formulas. Here I have some data for sales representatives. To illustrate the functions, we will start off with calculating the total of the sales. This we just use our SUM function, or alternatively Alt plus equals sign. Secondly, I want to calculate the total sales per month. I have months here and I am going to use the SUMIF formula. Click FX to call up the formula. Click the column with the variable you want to use, in this case, months. Click the first month. Click the column with the figures you want to sum up. Copy the formula for the rest of the months. Next, I want to know how much sales each of these representatives made in December across all regions. For this I will use the SUMIFS formula. Click FX to call up the formula. Click the column you want to sum up. Note that this, unlike SUMIF, here you start with the range you want to sum up. In Criteria Range 1, select the name column. In Criteria 1, click the first name. In Criteria Range 2, click the month column. In Criteria 2, type December. Make sure to use inverted commas since you are including text into a formula. Copy the formula downwards. Let's check our totals. The total here should be equal to the December figure. And the total for the months should be equal to the total sales value here. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos.